Let's create an external thread around this cylinder. You can activate the thread tool via different methods. You can go via the Create tab in the Fusion 360 Design toolbar, but you can also use Fusion 360 Design shortcuts. Press keyboard shortcut S to activate the design shortcuts. Search for thread and press Enter. A dialog box with different options appears, and those are important. If you just want to create a visual representation, then it's fine if you leave modeled unchecked. If you want to create physical threads, then you need to activate modeled. Once you have selected your face, a thread appears. You can work with thread type, size, designation, class, direction, and more. There is a box you can check if you want to remember your size. Press OK when you are happy and enjoy your work. I recommend this Fusion 360 playlist if you appreciate videos like this one and want more free Fusion 360 tutorials. Thank you.